Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge, just to show you this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around the unit today just to show you some of the features and options that this Grand Cherokee has to offer. So starting with, it is in your billet silver paint finish, accented by your blackout badging across the unit. It does have a list of great features packed into it as well. Coming around towards the back here, you can see you do have your backup camera equipped there, as well as your rear park sense, so you can see your sensors there across that back bumper. Your hitch equipped on there as well. Power lift gate. And you can see in the back of the Jeep here, there's plenty of cargo space back there to store your gear bags kind of out of the way while on the go. You also do have your rubber floor mats included across the unit, so a great little accessory there that you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Help keep your floors and Jeep protected while on the go. Again, just your power lift gate. Now the Jeep Grand Cherokee also offers great 4x4 capabilities, making it a great everyday vehicle on even some of those tougher road conditions. So just to check out some of the features inside now. So the Jeep itself can fit up to 5 passengers. So you can see there's a decent amount of legroom back there for your passengers to sit quite comfortably. Up top you do have your sunroof equipped on the Jeep as well. And just to check out some of the features up front here, so you can see your touchscreen display area, very user-friendly interface, a lot of great features packed in there. So you do of course have access to all your audio media controls built in there, climate controls as well, heated front seats, heated steering wheel are equipped there, access to some of the apps are included, your navigation, Bluetooth capabilities, and of course your settings. Just below that, again, access to just some of your basic audio media controls, climate controls in through there. You can toggle your park sense features on and off. You do have lane departure warning, so again you can turn that on and off right there. In through your center console area, you can see you have your media ports just in behind. You do have your keyless entry, so you can see your push button start just back there. Your key fob for the unit here, so you do have remote start. So again, another great feature you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Your steering wheel mounted control, so you do have access to your cruise control options, Bluetooth Uconnect capabilities in on the left-hand side. In behind the steering wheel, you do have access to your audio media controls. So you can easily keep your hands safely on the wheel while still staying connected while on the go. But if you're looking for a great everyday vehicle with a great blend of features as well, you're going to want to check out this Jeep Grand Cherokee. If you have questions about this unit, please feel free to give us a call, 780-826-2999, or visit us online at www.bonnyvilledodge.com.